Hello friends, welcome to the third part of the capacitor presentation series. This part deals with the capacitor electrodes and the dielectric. The topics for discussion in part 3 are electrodes of the capacitor, the dielectric material, dielectric constant, common capacitor dielectrics, factors affecting the capacitance, capacitance in terms of the dielectric constant, capacitors with multiple dielectrics, multiple plate capacitor, and capacitance of some common systems. The electrodes of a capacitor can be square, circular, rectangular, cylindrical, or spherical shape. Each electrode is connected to a terminal wire for connecting the capacitor to the rest of the circuit. The electrodes must be good conductors of electricity. The main materials for making the electrodes are aluminium, copper, nickel, palladium, platinum, silver, and tantalum. The dielectric must be a good insulator. Each dielectric is characterized by its dielectric constant, insulation resistance, dielectric strength, temperature coefficient, high frequency performance, etc. The major dielectric materials are air, paper, polyester, ceramic, porcelain, metal oxides, mica, plastic film, polypropylene, mylar, and glass. The dielectric constant represents the ability of a material to store electrical energy in the presence of an electric field. Capacitance is directly proportional to the dielectric constant. The factor by which the dielectric material increases the capacitance of the capacitor compared to air is known as the dielectric constant or the relative permittivity. A dielectric material with a high dielectric constant is a better insulator than a dielectric material with a lower dielectric constant. The absolute permittivity of the dielectric material is the product of the permittivity of free space and the relative permittivity of the dielectric material. The table shows some of the common capacitor dielectrics with its dielectric constants. The capacitance of a capacitor depends on three main factors. They are the plate surface area, plate spacing, and the permittivity of the dielectric material. The larger the surface area of the conductive plates, the greater is the capacitance. The smaller is the distance between the two plates, the greater is the capacitance. The higher the permittivity of the dielectric material, the greater is the capacitance. The capacitance of a device is directly proportional to the area of the conductive plates and the permittivity of the dielectric. It is inversely proportional to the distance between the plates. Capacitors with multiple dielectrics can be considered as multiple capacitors arranged in series or parallel. The parallel stacked dielectrics shown in the figure can be considered as two separate capacitors of capacitance C1 and C2 connected in parallel. Similarly, the two dielectrics stacked in series can be considered as two capacitors of capacitance C1 and C2 connected in series. So we can find the capacitance of a capacitor with multiple dielectrics by converting the combination to its equivalent capacitor circuit as a combination of different series parallel capacitors and finding the equivalent capacitance. Multiple plate capacitor is a method to increase the overall capacitance of a capacitor in which more plates are interleaved together within a single capacitor body. This arrangement will increase the surface area of the plates and hence the capacitance. If there are n plates in a capacitor, then the capacitance will be multiplied by n minus 1 times individual capacitance. The formulas for the capacitance of some common systems are given in the table.